Hey, welcome to my new video. Unfortunately, it's my last video from Gran Canaria, and today we rented a car with these American chicks.
Who can drive stick?
Yeah, who can drive stick, so I was the driver. Now we are hiking to Roque Nublo, and to get here from Las Palmas took us around 1 hour, and the road was really scary because Kat was navigating me, and some roads were so narrow. It was terrible. I was really scared. And I was not driving for maybe 2 or more months because I was not in Czech Republic. So what a driving experience. To Roque Nublo, it's half kilometer.
And now down like this. And then down a little bit. A little more. A little more. No, just like...
And this behind me is Roque Nublo. This place is really unreal. What do you think about the hike?
What do I think about the hike? On a scale from 1 to 10, I would give it an 11. I think if you're going to Gran Canaries, definitely rent a car if possible. And even if you come alone, try and make some friends in your hostel. Definitely do a hostel. I would say House Aguita.
Yes.
Aguita. Definitely do that hostel. You would meet a bunch of cool people. And then with that, you could rent a car for $40, split between 5. Not that bad. And then the trip's only an hour up the mountain. And I would say for a view like this, if you're not used to something like this, it's definitely worth it. And it's free. Cut down.
And this is how girls make photo shoot.
No, this one.
In the far distance behind me, you can see Pico del Teide, which is on another island on Tenerife, and it's the highest point of Spain. This spot looks like made for an Instagram. I have never seen such a landscape like this before. By the way, this is our car for today. Just a random stop with a beautiful view. Stop for a gas, and gas here cost 1.3 euro. Again, in a beautiful place. I know I'm saying this a lot, but this island is so beautiful. Now we made a stop at Mirador Astronomico, and full name is Mirador de la Degallada de las Yeguas? I don't know the right pronunciation, I'm sorry. Name of this valley is Barranco de Fataga. This way in the distance is Maspalomas, where we will go again for sunset, and it's a little bit visible, the dunes. Now we are gonna go to look for waterfalls, but we are not sure if it is here, but Google Maps show us to go here, so we'll see. Let's go. Will we find waterfalls?
Waterfalls. We shall see.
We will, hopefully. We are already losing hope because it's so dry here, so most likely there are gonna be no waterfalls.
So this is the waterfall over here. As you can see,
It's very
been
beautiful.
flowing pretty strong today.
A lot of water. No.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So I'm again in Maspalomas at the dunes. Again for a sunset.
Hey.
Do you like it here?
Oh, do you want me to talk?
Yes.
Yes, look at the view. You got the sun over here, sunset over here, you got the beach over here. You have plenty of people, good weather, good energy, some snacks and wine, and you're set.
There behind me is an entrance, and last time we were here we walked really far this way, and today we decided to go this way. Last time we were really near to the beach, and let's see how it's gonna be today when we will watch the sunset over the dunes. Sun is already set and we are going back to car and back to Las Palmas. I like this place a lot. I like Gran Canaria in general, and I'm kinda sad that in few days I will leave. But new adventure is waiting for me. Fun fact, it's actually forbidden to walk on the dunes, but as you can see, no one really care. And the sky is getting better and better. When the sun was set, I was like, okay, that's not nice as it was before, but now the sky looks really beautiful. We just came to Las Palmas, and here we parked our car because car rental is already closed, so I have to give it back tomorrow in the morning. How was the road trip?
So the road trip was amazing. We were able to do a lot in one day, from sightseeing to checking out dunes to literally driving across the entire island and seeing everything we need to see all in one day. It's definitely something you need to do when coming to the Grand Canaria.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Perfect.
I say 10 out of 10. We saw way more than I assumed we would see. I would say it would be an 11 out of 10. We also got to run our errands and get our asparagus, which is really important to me. It would be a 12 out of 10 if we actually saw the waterfall.
Oh, yeah.
But because of that, it's just an 11 out of 10.
Okay, that's also good.
Honest review.
And my review of the road trip is also 10 out of 10 because it was amazing. We saw beautiful places and the weather was amazing, and I improved my driving skills.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're going to Plaza Faray.
Why?
Because it's your last night.
And he's gonna get drunk. We're gonna buy him tequila. Tequila, baby.
No. Yeah,
Yes.
but it's my last night here in Las Palmas.
No, it's not
unfortunately. Yes.
No.
No.
So we will party tonight.
Yay! Even though I have no voice, that's fine. We make sacrifices for our friends.
Oh, it's okay. We can go straight.
Oh, wrong way. This way.
Exactly what it is. Vegas.
Cheers. After a drink, we are going to dance. So they didn't let us in because of me, because I have an Adidas pants, and it was kind of fancy bar. So because of me, we are going to another place. so they went to the club, but I'm already going home because I feel so tired and exhausted after the driving and hiking, and I have to wake up in 5 hours because I need to take a car back to the car rental, and I need to pack all my stuff because tomorrow I'm leaving Las Palmas. Good morning, it's 8 a.m. and I'm going back to the place where we parked our car, and I will go to car rental. So I made it to the car. It was 25 minutes by walk because there is no nearest place to park car near to the hostel. So now I'm going to car rental. Car is back in the car rental, and now I'm going back to the hostel to say goodbye to everyone. I am back in the hostel, and unfortunately it's time to say goodbye to this place. I had an amazing month here and I will really miss this view. Now it's time to go to laundry place. So I'm in the laundry place already and I'm washing everything because I don't know when I will have such an opportunity again to wash like all my clothes and all my stuff like this, because this is really good place for doing this. Now everything is clean and everything is packed, so I will go to the bus station and I will go to Galdar. I just came to Galdar and soon I will meet my friends. Oh my god! My friends rented a van and I'm joining them for 2 days, so it's really nice. This is what I was always dreaming about. And an idea of having a van is in my mind since I was maybe 17. So now I have at least opportunity to try how it is like live in such a van. And I already like it, so I really would like to be able to buy a van and travel just like this. Like, look at this, we are in the nature. There is an ocean behind me, so that's a dream. That's really a dream life of traveler. And this is our spot where we will sleep tonight, and now we will go to beach. Vamos a la playa! We came back from a beach and now I will have a dinner. Now we are just in a van because they need to study and I need to edit videos. I already finished editing the videos, so I will go for a little walk. I can't believe tomorrow is my last day. I can't believe. I was here 1 month and it was not enough. I would like to stay longer, but new adventure is waiting for me. And it's time to go back because it's already almost dark and the road here was not very safe. Vali is cooking dinner. I am making plan for my next destination and Lisa is still studying. tonight I will have my first night in a van in my life, so I hope I will get a good night's sleep. Good morning. My first night in a van was good. It was a little bit cold in the night, but I slept pretty well. We came to a place where we will start our hike. So we got already lost and now we are probably on private property. We find the way and now we left the village El Risco behind us and now we are gonna hike in the nature. By the way, look what kind of shoes I have right now. Yeah, I have a Nike, which is not good for hiking, but I left my sport shoes in Las Palmas in hostel because I had no space in my backpack. And I didn't realize that we will hike, so I need to do this in these shoes, unfortunately. How do you feel?
I like it. It's my first climb up like this a mountain. I usually don't hike like this, so it's hard. But it's nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful here. So this is where we came from. It was really steep and adventurous. We just made it through the steepest part of this hike and now it should be much more easier. Yesterday we didn't succeed to find a waterfall, but now I found at least a small one. When we are hiking through this beautiful nature, it makes me think about Pacific Crest Trail. If you don't know what is it, it's like really long hike, really long hike in the United States through the national parks and through beautiful nature. And I will think about it a lot now because hiking through this for a long time would be a really nice experience. This is a perfect last day, enjoying the nature of Gran Canaria. The nature here is breathtaking and I'm really sad that we are kinda in a rush because I have an online job interview in 1 hour, so we need to go really fast. Now we are lost.
GPS tells us to be.
What kind of hike is this? Oh no.
This view is just breathtaking. And my job interview is in 13 minutes, but we are here.
Stuck. We are stuck.
Is this for beginners?
Yeah, that's the pretty moderately difficult hike.
Yeah,
I'd say it's okay.
yeah, it's okay.
All you need is one or two bad jokes. And a little bit
I
of
think it's
water.
kind of boring. Just up and down again.
I can't believe that this is where we came from. We safely made it back to the village and my interview is postponed, so happy end. We are back in Las Palmas because Lisa has some dancing class here. And by the way, I already had that job interview and it was good, so maybe in May I will go to work to Iceland. I made a little stop in Aguita and everyone welcomed me so nice, that's very cool. And we came here because we need to take a shower. I meant warm shower. I feel refreshed after the shower and I feel so happy after seeing them again because I didn't say goodbye to a few of my friends because they were sleeping or they were somewhere else when I was leaving yesterday, so now we said goodbye. And yeah, now I'm going to a souvenir shop to buy some gifts for my family and then I will join Lisa and Vali again. I bought some gifts for my sister and my parents. My last night in Gran Canaria.
Good morning. There in the back I slept today and now I'm going to the bus station and I'm going to the airport.
My flight to Madrid is already boarding and unfortunately I do not have a window seat and I want a window seat, so I will wait and I will go to the airplane as a last person and I hope there is gonna be a free window seat so I can sit there and make some videos. So my plan with window seat worked. When I came to the plane, I asked cabin crew if I can sit next to the emergency exit because there is extra space for a leg and it is a window seat, so I succeeded and now I am in Madrid and I have 3 hours here layover and then I'm going to Istanbul. So now I would like to share with you how much did 1 month in Spain cost me. So for flight ticket I spent 42 euro. I booked from Vienna to Madrid where I had layover 1 day and then to Gran Canaria. For all transportation including bus to Vienna, transportation in Madrid and all transportation on Gran Canaria with rent car and with public buses I spent 82 euro. For all food I spent only 111 euro because as you saw I was only eating what I cooked, and in hostel I earned 42 euro because when a guest wanted to make a laundry or I sold a surf lesson I got some little money from that. So in total 1 month costed me 192 euro, which is not bad at all because for example my friends in Czech Republic they spend this money for 1 shoes. So spending 1 month in Spain and having so much fun as you could saw in my old videos, it's really good. And that's all from my video. I hope you enjoy all my videos from Spain. If yes, give a thumbs up and let me know in a comment. And now I am already in Turkey, in Istanbul, and I am making a new video for you, so stay tuned.